Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I begin in the name of Allah, whose mercy is profound, whose kindness is forever. Al-Islam course is based on the book Al-Islam by Ustaz Javed Ahmad Ghamidi. It is actually a summary of the path-breaking book Mizan of the same author. In this book, the author has discussed Islam, the religion of God, its basic sources, its basic teachings, the details of it, and their interconnection. The book, and therefore the course on which the book is based, is going to help you in understanding God's message much more properly and clearly. It is divided into 9 modules, and there are going to be 50 sessions of 90 minutes each session in 1 week. So it's going to take something like 1 full year for you to be able to go through this course. I am absolutely confident that if you're going to attend this course on a regular basis, your understanding of God's religion is going to enhance and be more sound, clear, and satisfying.